good afternoon, traders. Let's do the Thursday wrap-up show. So today was just really a fantastic, beautiful day. So here you can see this was my pie chart for my wins and losses and all of that. And then this was the distribution throughout the day of the profit. And then here was a couple trades. So here in the last week, I've been sharing some strong levels with you. If you're a member of my group, you have this on your chart as an indicator. This bull bear line, which we already had a bounce, it was very well defended, that we talked about yesterday. And then when I left you this morning, we were laddering up, and I warned, be careful thinking this thing has to go down. You have to know when can you short an up move, and we shorted it absolute to perfection this morning. I mapped it out before the market opened. In fact, I got into the trade pre-market and had a nice 20-pointer on this. But this is where we opened up. And now let's just go to the end and see where did we finish on the end of the day. Okay, so let's stop there. All right, so this is where we finished on the end of the day. And right in here, about the 62.50, wherever that is in there, I took that short and did very well. And in here, that was the move I got and made 20-pointer on that one. And that worked out really well. Then my next really good trade is I shorted 22.23 right here and had a nice move there. And that is what made my day, in all honesty. So those were beautiful, beautiful trades there. How did these strong levels work? Well, the first time we touched the bull bear line, we went to new highs. Next time we hit it, it's there so we know where we are at. Then careful with longs below. Did that turn out to be pretty good advice? And we went all the way down here to this next strong level and missed touching it by, I think, 3 ticks. So let's come in a little bit tighter, and I want to look at these levels that I share with you a little bit tighter. So this was the bull bear line again. This was the be careful with shorts underneath it. This was my strong range here. And how well did these levels play with this strong range there? And once again, for this strong level, it missed it by a tick, and it was just a fantastic day. Today was long or flat. I did take a couple longs in here, made small. When I got out of my short here, I was looking for opportunities to go long, hoping we would get back above the strong range, but we didn't. So the thing is if you're going to play counter, know when you can play counter, and when you're wrong, you just get out. It either goes your direction or it doesn't. Don't die on the hill for going long at 52.90. Is that worth dying on the hill for? No, you just get out. You just get out. That's what you do. You just get out. So that was absolutely just beautiful. I was telling the group as we were coming down that 72.50 was my target, and we missed it by a point, which was really cool. And then one of my new traders says, I don't know what magical strong range that is, but I'm a believer now. So that's funny and awesome. In this strong, just because it's a strong range, that does not mean it's going to be a trampoline to bounce price all the way back. Yesterday, when it hit this bull bear line, it did. But my warning here was more of careful with longs below. If we get underneath there, I don't know if it's coming back. And this was the bull's last defense, in my opinion, before the flush. And that's why I had careful with longs below. So all of this is designed to help my traders know which side of the trade we should be looking for. And I was really happy with the short up here. In fact, let's come back up here and look at the short. Whoa, I moved my indicator. Let's come up here and look at this short. Let's go to a 3-minute chart. Let's tighten this up a little bit. Okay, so the beautiful thing about this 3-minute short, and I actually love it, is I went short right there on that white candle. Blue, 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 the one white candle, that's my short. That's how I outlined it in the group. And in fact, let me show you this. Let me bring this up. So in the group, I had posted this chart. Let me copy, let me paste it in here so it's easy to see. And so what we did is I mapped out, this is what I was wanting to happen. And this was the 61 or 62, wherever I shorted. I said, if we get underneath that and come back, I'm going short. And that's what I did. We finally broke one parabolic, the second parabolic, and that level is the level I picked. It did it, and I hit it. And so that was fantastic. Was able to stay in it and make 20 points. And that was it for my really morning trading. I tried a couple longs in here because there's a beautiful place for price to turn around. It was yesterday's halfback, if I remember exactly. And NQ was bouncing off the previous day high. So it was a beautiful place. Bulls tried, couldn't get it done, couldn't take out a break level with conviction all day long, and then lost it here with the careful with longs below. I'm not going to update the strong indicator for tomorrow, members. Monday's a holiday. I'll look at everything again this weekend with a fresh set of eyes. The levels are still valid. We still have levels below us. So if you have the indicator, pay attention to those. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, bright and early, for the AM briefing. Y'all have a great day.
Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.